Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Today our lesson is about prepositions. Before I start this lesson, I want you to familiarize with these following topics, that is nouns, verbs, adjectives, as they form the base for the new lesson, preposition, what we are going to learn today. Here I leave the links for your reference. And if you go and subscribe Friend for Learning channel on YouTube, you will gain access to all my videos. Now let's have a look at some examples for prepositional words like in, out, of, near, beside, between, and many more. What do you notice from these words? Alright, exactly. They are usually short words. Prepositions usually act as a linking word in the sentences by connecting people, object, time, and location. Prepositions form a relationship between nouns or pronouns with other nouns, verbs, or adjectives in a sentence. Let's have a look at some of the examples. He sat the chair. Doesn't this sentence sound weird? He is the pronoun, chair is the noun, and something is missing in between them to give complete sense to the sentence. And that is the preposition on. So this word on acts as a linking word between the pronoun and the noun, thus giving complete sense to the sentence. Now look at this sentence. There is some milk, the fridge. You're right. There is some link missing in this sentence too. And that is the preposition in. There is some milk in the fridge. The birds flew the cage. The prepositional word of gives complete sense to the sentence. The birds flew off the cage. I got a gift, my friend. Here, gift is the noun, friend is the common noun. The prepositional word that links these two is from. Therefore, I got a gift from my friend. The books were scattered the table. So the books, noun, table is noun. What is the linking word that connects both of these nouns? Therefore, the linking word is under. That is the prepositional word. The books were scattered under the table. Now it's your turn. Test your knowledge. Find the prepositions in the following sentences. Pause the video and work on these sentences. After finishing, you can check for the answers. So here I am, back with the answers. She was hiding under the table. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. The sun is above the clouds. The horse jumped over the fence. He put the flower pots by the window. I hope your answers matches with mine. You deserve a star. Well done. Now you know the base. What are prepositions? There are types of prepositions, which is the next level. Prepositions are classified as preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of directions. Follow the following links to learn each topic in detail. Check the links in the description on Friend for Learning YouTube channel. Subscribe Friend for Learning channel on YouTube so that you can gain access to all my videos. And visit our website friendforlearning.com for more worksheets, educational resources, PPTs, and much more. Thanks for watching and stay safe.